Welcome to the Cour to the Grange Diaries. I'm plentiful Ryan, British author and screenplay writer. I am just addressing something. This is going to be a very short video, so I'm just addressing that Anne herself had reared her ugly little head and her horrible little mouth to confirm the fact of what I already knew and give me the evidence out of it as well. On Friday afternoon at around 1:10 French time, reared her ugly hair to show me that she was my troll. So I was just confirming with you guys on this channel that I do have a troll. She does use another account because I blocked her in October. She does use an account to sneak, as her word was, around all of the residents who have social media to see what's going on in their life. And she says that she has two different accounts. So I blocked one in October and she was sniffing around my bits and pieces in another account. And she has been watching me for all these months, and now that I am not having anything to do with it whatsoever, she's even more hungry to know what I'm getting up to. And you know something? I've had trolls before, and people would used to say you're nobody until somebody sues you. I'm going to say today is you're nobody until you have a troll and somebody wants to know so hungrily what you're doing. So anybody that's on my channel will see one thumbs down. That was Anne. She wasn't happy that I've got this channel, so now she's sniffing about my business, want to know what I'm saying, want to know what my logic is. So I'm aware now that she's watching, and she's probably watching these videos right now. So hey Anne, and I just wanted to say, you don't tell anybody what to do, and it's not okay, and I'm not going to stop because what you've done is abominable, and it's going to be, I'm going to shout it from the rooftops. I'm going to make sure that everybody hears about it, and I'm going to make sure that nobody else comes here and pays for the same kind of abuse or disharmony or misery that you forced me and thrust me into enduring. So thank you, and I will see you soon.